All right. Good Monday morning. There's not much going on in the news, so we're not going to take a look at that. Tomorrow we have PPI. That's what we'll watch tomorrow. But today, it's pretty clear selling. So Friday, another day up, little indecisive. Right now we're down about 12, so we're opening up inside the bar. Hey, maybe we get a nice conservative day today. Set up a flag. That would be nice. This is a pretty crazy run up right here. The last consolidation was back on the 9th, and we have 3 straight days up. So we'll watch it. I would like to see a flag, a little retrace, maybe a break tomorrow and a move up. I am looking for a target of about 4,100, 4078, somewhere around there. Looks like a good target. I'd rather see it retrace before it does that. Just make me more comfortable. Now I just feel like I'm chasing it. But there's good momentum. Good momentum on the dailies. Friday was the end of the week, so let's take a quick look at the weekly. All right, so what we have here, right? Here's a lower low, but the momentum is fading. That's a divergence. A weekly divergence, man. That's a good setup for the Christmas rally. What I'm looking for, I guess it's not impossible. I mean, I don't think we're getting another 100-point day, but what I'd like to see is, let's close this gap right here. See that gap right there? Close that gap, trade down, set up a head and shoulders, right? With this being the first part of the neckline, and then figure right about here, the second or so into that gap will be the second neckline, and then watch for that break. I would like to see that. So we have that move down, bing, 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 and then create a big head and shoulders. That would give us a nice run into the summertime. I think the summer we're going to sell off a little bit. We might float down, maybe just consolidate for a while because people will go away. But I don't think we've seen the last of the woes, but would be cool if we tested that high again of 48.18. That would be cool, but I don't know. I don't know. I mean, ultimately, I want to see us start trading right in this range right here. But anyway, that's what we're going to watch for on the weekly. But right now, we're in a divergence, and really, it doesn't trigger until it breaks the 43.31. So an aggressive entry would have been right here, where we broke the previous high. The bar breaks the previous high. And that would have been your aggressive entry, which would have been a nice entry. I mean, it was 200 points ago. More conservative entry is breaking the high and looking for a move to the new high. That is why I would like to see the head and shoulders, because that'll give us a good low entry inside of this consolidation, and then we could look for a break to a high. So we'll keep our eye on that. But as far as the day goes, how's your day go? Anybody familiar with that term, Dago? That used to be a derogatory term for Italians. Back when you can enjoy derogatory terms, you could say them in jest. And it was fun. Not in the woke climate where everybody is on antidepressants and anal retentive. So on the daily, I'm not going to chase it. It's moving up. There's no setup. I'm looking for the flag on the daily. Let's look at the futures on the 240s. We'll probably find a setup right there that we can clock for the day, give us our long-term view. See, this is what the S&P should look like at the end of the day, and we get a nice flag. We're looking at the futures, so it's already showing today's trading, which is showing that it's setting up a flag. The 240's not really giving me much. Yeah, there's nothing there. All right, so we'll watch through the day. We'll see how we trade. I'm looking forward to taking a trade. I got nothing out there in front of me that's making me apprehensive, so we'll take a look at it. let's just rip through everything real quick. Let's look at BTC. On the 240s, I got a double bottom. Actually, a break of the high of 1635 is an entry. It's an aggressive entry based on this divergence. If you want to be conservative, then you take that break at about 18. So you could watch that, man, right now if anybody's looking to take advantage of that. That could make a move. I haven't really clocked the divergence. I mean, it's a standard setup. You can use it in every market. I don't know how it responds. The consolidation breaks are always the money. Although, look at that. It got a little whippy right there, right, to scare you out. Could call that a last kiss and a break, and boom. On the daily, looks like you could call that a bear flag, and it triggered. And if it breaks this consolidation, if it breaks 1793, that's going to be a move up on the daily. That's kind of stretching it. That's looking for something. I like this trend, this divergence, though. Yeah, leave it alone. Maybe play the divergence. Let's look at oil. Oil on the daily, going into a consolidation. Yeah, it's about the right price. I'm feeling 84 is a better price. I bet it'll float back down to there. But it's in consolidation. There's nothing exciting going on. Let's get rid of that bar. That's not really working. You could put a resistance in over here at around 92. But in consolidation, be careful. You get chopped up there. Gasoline. Oh, sweet. Looks like get ready to fill up the truck. Yeah, it looks like a little head and shoulders might be going on there. See if it breaks that line right there. And you guys could be trading this. I don't know how many people clock me and trade futures, but these are good trades. Nat gas. That looks like a reverse micro trend right there. Look at that failure and that pop up. I think this baby's coming down some more. Come on down. Fill up them tanks. Bonds looks like they're bottoming. Look at that divergence. Yeah, we'll probably do a little retrace. I mean, it would make sense, right? Look at that sell-off right there. And yeah, with the Christmas rally, bonds are going to come back up. Gold. Yo, nice. Yeah, we've been chipping away at this. There's a triple bottom right there. And away she goes. I don't see any entry right now. Nothing that excites me. You could clock this flag right here. But this is happening right now. We got to close like that and break tomorrow. So that's it. That's what I'm looking at. That's what we're all about. So subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Join me at 9 o'clock. And good luck with your trades.